What up, YouTube? Mr. Ryan, I'm here checking in, gang. Y'all see where we at? We up under the car on the rear end. I'm gonna remove that nut right there, which is 1.25 inches, and I'm gonna take off this here, this pinion seal. We're gonna change that, show y'all how that's done. So leave me a comment, like, share, subscribe, y'all. Y'all know we coming back with plenty more. Y'all see that new tank up under that, gang. Stay tuned, let's get it. That's him, Jim. Let's see, we got our lock nut off of there. See how easy it is. You see, gear come off there. We might need a hammer or something to tap it with. Y'all see it, gang. So I believe the seal is right here. Might need a little pick tool or screwdriver or something to dig him off of there. That's him, Jim. Like that's him right there, Jim. So y'all saw how hard that bad boy was to come out of there. But we got him. We got him right here, gang. So I'm gonna run the AutoZone. I'm gonna grab this here replacement. We're gonna get this installed and put back together. Might have to come back, top it off with some more gear off. Y'all see it, gang? We got it drilling back into our bottom. Yeah. Y'all see us, gang? We're gonna clean this up right quick. Might as well pack in with some grease, huh, gang? Might as well, baby. Alright, gang. We got our seal for the pinion gear. Straight from AutoZone. Cruiser, baby. Cruiser, cruiser, cruiser. Yeah, yeah. Huh? No, save you. Save you. Yeah, yeah. Gang, gang. We got it, man. Comment, like, share, subscribe. My kindness for weakness, we coming on strong. Yeah, huh? Oh, yeah, baby. We got crucial. Oh, yeah, we changing the sweet bow. Look this way.
No.
I guess she just ran behind him.
What they got going on? It's avalanche.
Alright, YouTube. You probably looking moments later. Oh, yeah. Trying to pull all that off of that, y'all. Let's eat, baby. Trying to pull that off of there. Oh, daddy did that. Oh, yeah, baby.
It don't matter. It's 4 o'clock.
Yeah, it's 4 o'clock. We about to eat.